are going to make a special probiotic yogurt, and the probiotic yogurt will help with weak digestion. People with weak digestion, people with anemia, people with hemorrhoids, constipation, with ulcers, all can take advantage of this probiotic. It can help build healthy bowels, healthy flora in your bowels. And for that, the ingredients include gooseberry fruit, the dried gooseberry fruit. Now this is Indian gooseberry, which is available in any Asian grocery stores. The fresh fruit is green in color. After it is dried, it becomes darker. Then we have curry leaves. Again, this is something which is available in the Asian grocery stores, so you can easily buy from any Asian stores. We have yogurt, 2 tablespoons. We have 1/4 cup of water, and we have 1.5 cups of milk. So first I'm going to take water in a bowl. Then I'm going to add the milk. Turn on the heat and allow the milk to boil. So now you can see the milk has boiled. We are going to switch off the heat and take the milk off. So now we're just going to leave this milk to cool down a little, and then we're just going to add the yogurt which we already have, and this is a homemade fresh yogurt. I've kept it for 2 days, so it's gone a little sour. So when the yogurt is sour, it is better and you get best quality fresh yogurt from it. Okay, so now I have cooled the milk for about 5 minutes and the milk is hot. I'm just going to mix the yogurt. I'm going to take 3 spoons of yogurt and mix it nicely, thoroughly. Now I'm going to use this container to set the yogurt. So I'm going to put all these pieces of dried gooseberry, and I'm going to take a teaspoon of curry powder and pour the milk with the yogurt into the container. Cover it with a lid and put it away in a warm place for 5 to 6 hours for it to set. So it's been 6 hours now. Let's check. Our probiotic yogurt is ready, and I would advise you to use this yogurt before your breakfast or even as a breakfast. You can use at least 2 to 3 tablespoons daily, and this can help with anemia. It can also help people who suffer from ulcers. It could also help you in heartburn or acidity issues. It is also very safe and useful in hemorrhoids. And I would also suggest people who would like to take more advantage can also add seeds, pumpkin or sunflower seeds, or even fruits, and make it a complete breakfast for themselves. So we have seen how to make this simple probiotic yogurt, and we have added the amla or the Indian gooseberry. It is also called amla in Sanskrit, and we have added the curry leaves powder. Now this yogurt is not just only a probiotic, but it can also be used for people to regulate their blood sugar. So all the people who have diabetes can also benefit from this yogurt. Then cholesterol issues can also be it can also be useful for cholesterol, high cholesterol, and it can also be used by people with high blood pressure. So it just not building the bowel flora, it has multi uses. So you can use it as a multi-useful ingredient, a probiotic. It can be used for people with high cholesterol, with high blood pressure, with diabetes and the other digestive issues which I had already said. The ones who face constipation, where constipation is an issue, you can use this yogurt. You can use it for colitis, you can use it for hemorrhoids, you can also use it for acidity and heartburn, people with ulcers. All can benefit with this simple and easy to make probiotic yogurt. So this yogurt has many uses. Please do try and make this recipe at home and take the best advantage out of it. So try to make this simple and easy to make probiotic yogurt at home, so that you can have a healthy digestive system and you can build healthy flora in your bowels. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe.
Comment down below your experience by trying this new recipe.
And don't forget to put on notifications by pressing the bell icon below.
Until then, see you next time.
Bye.